Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're having a really good day so far. I am in a bit of a content funk. I had a stressful week at work. I won't go into those details because I know that's not what you're here for, but it does make it very hard for me to focus on my creativity when I have to spend so much time recovering from the emotional baggage people want to dump on you sometimes in life. Maybe you can relate, I don't know, but I hope change is on the horizon, and I thought I would do my best to just say hello and welcome you to my yarny room. This is just the way that things are right now. I tried to clean it up for you guys and show you what I got going on. I do like to pull out some things for inspiration though, and I've been looking through the Japanese Knitting Stitch Bible. It is a book that is full of gorgeous lace and cable, twisted stitch combos, all kinds of things. So that is something I've been enjoying lately. I did splurge on a new publication, Gudrun Johnson's new book. I'll leave a link below to where you can pre-order that so that you don't miss out if you're interested. I think I paid like $45 to ship it to Baltimore, but it's worth it. I'm thinking about knitting this Andrea Mowry sweater that I purchased, her even fall sweater. I'm thinking about making that with the shibui. I know that this is like heavier fingering and this calls for like light fingering. I'm thinking about pairing it with these 3 yarns. I just haven't decided. I don't know. Do you ever own yarn in your stash that's like not your favorite yarn, and then you think you find the perfect project for it and you just still don't want to knit with it? That's how I feel about that. And this is my video content for the week. So I hope that you have a wonderful week and that you all take care and that you find something to inspire you to keep on keeping on and be creative. Have a wonderful day, guys. Take care. While my coffee is pouring, I'm going to give you a quick garden tour. The jalapenos have exploded with a second round of fruit, and I've done a lot of clearing out here. Took out all the sunflowers and the zinnias, and I've cleared these patches. I relocated one of my asparagus crowns. It had done well over there, and I think I put one here, but it might not have come up, so I just moved it so that they would all be behind this cattle panel. That'll keep them from falling over into the sidewalk. So we'll see how they do. I know they'd probably like some full sun, but that's the best they're gonna get here. And the basil are banging everywhere, and the pawpaw trees are really growing up. They're above waist height now, so that's exciting. The squash have taken over everything. I cannot retrain the raspberries until the squash are done because I don't want to destroy any of the vines, but you'll see I have fruits all over the place in here. And once we get our first hard freeze, I'll clear more stuff out of some of these beds, but I'm allowing all of the herbs to really take root, even some invasive sort of herbs. If I have nothing growing there, I might as well keep it, so I figured I can just cut it back when I need to. And this blueberry bush is doing so much better than it did this time last year. It has a nice big new growth. These are a high bush variety, so they'll get quite tall. I have 2 others. I have one right there and a couple peppers, and then the other one is right here. See that new growth as well. So the raspberries, yeah, they are looking pretty bad. The beans are still giving tons of beans. Horseradish, I've just been cutting it back. It has a pretty bad beetle situation. You can see some of them. I haven't really taken the time to look up what they are because honestly, I'm not that invested in horseradish. It's just something I stuck there. But I did shred all my sticks and canes that I cut back. I flipped my compost bin. I actually turned out the bottom half of the compost over here, so I have that to spread around. Let's see, it looks like this is mostly wood chips, so I don't expect this to be optimal temperature, but it looks like we're at 100 right now. Over here I have an empty bin that I can start filling with brown things to layer over my kitchen scraps over the fall and winter. I like to gather all the leaves I can, fill one of those 2 bins. Here's the second pawpaw tree, and we have a third right here. And all the sticks that I couldn't shred, I positioned to be this border. If I had the choice, I wouldn't have a border like this at all, but I just don't know what to do with all of these big sticks. They are like a haven for slugs, and they become a bit of a slug zone. But it seems like, you know, it's not doing much harm. So that's how I purpose that material that I can't really get rid of easily. And that is the garden tour of end of September 2021. Thanks for watching. Ooh, good job.